In today's video, we are checking out the new what's it called again? Tornado block update with new probes. Actually, we have Dorothy. We got Twist-X vehicle. We got the TMV probe. We got I think like the Vortex truck tool. We got the NOAA Toto one. We got Twist-X video probe. We got another version of the
That's not a threat. That's a goddamn promise, bitch.
of the TMV probe, and we got this one. So, and the new car update. We got Titus IMAX truck mobile medicine 1995 Dodge Ram 1500, which is actually 2500, and the 2010 TIV, and we still have the cars. And and this is what the Titus looks like. Yeah. But the IMAX truck, I'm driving this today actually. So let's see if we can get close to the tornado, but not inside it. Uh-oh. Okay, we already got inside it almost. Whoa. Okay, I broke that promise. Or not promise. That was not a promise. Oh, I'm flying. Hold on. I'm coming back on. We're back. Wind turbine. Oh, I'm gonna crash. Okay, where are we? Oh, we just flipped. Oh, I'm gonna charge my phone. New updates is actually pretty good. Well, they had to fix the probe problem because you wouldn't be able to pick up the probes. So they fixed that problem up already. Oh, and shout out to No Days Off from making this game. This pulver right here. Wow, look at that. Let's get the IMAX camera out. I'm in the IMAX camera. Look at this funnel. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Are we like in a bad spot? Oh, we're in a bad spot. Get out. We need to get out. Get out of the area. Get out of the area. We need to reposition. We're repositioning right here. Turn this. Turn. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna get somewhat in the path. Well, kind of not, because I'm not gonna go flying up into. You guys saw that? I almost flew up into the tornado. You guys saw that? Okay, we're backing it up right here. Okay, let's get more closer. Let's get more closer. I don't care. Let's get more closer to the storm. And if this turns out bad, I will reposition to another thing. Okay, that actually helped though. Wow, look at that! Look at that tornado! Where'd it go? Where did that go? Why is it going closer though? Oh, come on. Oh, look at that! Wow, wow, great job, Dominator, great job. Probably knows me from my YouTube channel, probably. Whoa. Whoa. Where did the tornado go? Storm chaser. Storm chaser. Okay, let's head back on the road. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. I do have a YouTube channel. Do, 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 do. Whoa, look at that! Look at that tornado! Oh, I'm near it. Okay, I need to back up. I need to back up. Back up, back up! Oh! Oh! Okay, we're good, we're good. We're good, we're good still. We're good. I'm good. On. Oh, bro. Uh-oh. Bro, get out that spot, Oh. Uh-oh. Woo! Uh-oh. I'm getting picked up. Uh-oh. No. Bro, he says he's making a video. I'm making a video right now. I'm trying to get unstuck here. Uh-oh. We might be dead, mate. I can go over. Hold on, I'm getting in the back. before I even go anywhere. Bro, I'm also making a vid. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Hold on. Oh! Oh, we're getting tossed around. Wow. Okay, we're back. Let's go. Where's this tornado at? Yo, did it just despawn? Oh. Owie. Whoa. Let's see where I'm at. Uh-oh, is it hitting NOAA weather office? I'm gonna head out. No, I'm about to get sucked up if I don't get out of this spot. It's a bad spot. Okay, this is a good spot. Okay, look at this right now. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that tornado. That looks like a wild and dangerous tornado. Where did it go? Someone tell me where it went. Yo, where's the tornado? Hold on, I'm gonna go, Yo, whoa. Okay.
.3D printed nuke versus.
If you land this, I'll give you a kiss.
Okay. Aw, damn.
If you land this one, I'll give you a kiss.
Oh my God!
If you land this, I'll give you a kiss.
Okay. Aw, damn.
If you land this one, I'll give you a kiss.
Oh my God!
See? It's exactly why I'm trying to read the paper. I missed stuff.
Hey.
No, it didn't happen recently. It happened like way back in the 30s.
Hey. I'm on vacation
God, I wouldn't want to be
every single day. Cause that is my aqua pay.
The guy said something